Rajneesh Dubey from UGM Underground Marketers, and today I'm back with another video on digital marketing. So today we are going to see how to purchase a domain. So guys, this is the homepage of GoDaddy. So this is search bar over here where you can type your domain name, and now domain name can be anything depending upon your business. You can type your own name also, or any particular name which you have in your mind which you wanted personally to put it for your business. It can be anything. So for example, let me put my name and then I'll search this. So as you all can see that rajneesh.com is available. So other than this, there are other suggestions which has been given by GoDaddy which you can choose if you want. So .in, .co, .in, .live, .xyz, these are all the other extensions. So mostly preferred ones are .in and .com. So let me quickly explain you what is the difference between both. So .com is something where if you want to expand your business internationally, other than India and other countries also. And when it comes to .in, you can only use that extension in India. So for now I am just choosing this .com. So from here I'll just continue to cart. I'm just adding this to cart. So you can see here the subtotal over here 1248, and here again the time duration for how many years you want. For 1 year it's showing around 849 rupees with 19% off. For 2 years 1248 with 40% discount. So the more years you choose, the better discount you get. So for now I'm just choosing it for 1 year, and then we'll press this button called continue to cart. So this is a different option which is given by GoDaddy. As we all know that nowadays hacking is all going on. For security and protection purpose, these are all the different offers which has been offered by GoDaddy. For now I'm just choosing no thanks. And then this is a free website builder option also given by the GoDaddy. If you want, you can build your own website. I'm just unchecking it, and here I'm just choosing no thanks. And from here again I'll continue to cart. So we'll choose 1 year here. So this is the subtotal 849 rupees. From here again continue to check out. So if you already have an account, you can directly log in from Google, or else you can create your own account. So I already have an account, so I'm just logging it from Google. So as you all can see, this is the subtotal 849 rupees. So this is the billing information. Here you have to fulfill all your details like your name, last name, your country, your phone number, anything. Your address. And your postal code, your state, city, you can see the star marks over here. These are all the mandatory fields which you have to fill. After filling all this, just click on save. So this is the payment options now. You can fill your card details, your month, your security code. Other than this, the other options have been given by GoDaddy like net banking, debit card, wallets, UPI, etc. So I'll just choose UPI over here. So as you all can see, this is the final step which we reached. 862 rupees will be your subtotal including taxes and all. So if you're clicking here, your purchase will be completed. So I hope guys you all understood. It is as simple as that to purchase a domain. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and press on the bell icon for more such videos on digital marketing. Thank you very much.